Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Patel from A.V. Patel Commerce College, Billimora. Today I'm here to give you some information about BCom, a Bachelor of Commerce. That why after 12th Commerce you should select BCom. First of all, BCom is well connected with trading, servicing and manufacturing. It is the only stream in which you can get proper knowledge of management, financial management, time management also. Even one successful trader or industrialist must have knowledge of above in a real market. Even in banking sector, BCom is most preferable. Rather from all other stream, student can go to banking job, but a BCom student can perform and adopt more easy in banking job. Even after BCom, you can prefer and get chance to be a chartered accountant, that is CA, MBA in finance, MCom, Institute of Cost and Works, Accountancy of India, that is ICWAI, Company Secretary, that is CS, Certified Management Accountant, that is CMA, Certified Public Accountant, that is a CPA. BCom is a 3-year degree course and each year includes subject by its level. In the first year of BCom, you will get subject like financial accounting, business administration, English. In our college, we provide language to literature, business economics, statistics for business, environmental studies, and elements of insurance. In second year of BCom, you will get subject like English. In second year also, our college provide language to literature, advanced accounting and auditing 1 and 3, advanced accounting and auditing 2 and 4, economics, accountancy and taxation, statistics, banking, law and practice. In a third year of BCom, you will get subject like advanced accounting and auditing 5 and 7, advanced accounting and auditing 6 and 8. English. In a third year of commerce, our college provide written and spoken communication skill. Business administration, business regularity framework, that is also known as MLO. Indian banking and currency system, Indian economy, planning and policy, statistic. Given subject for BCom will give you vast knowledge of commercial sectors. Even after BCom, you can go for several lines like business line, teaching line, accountancy line, economics line, statistic line, government field service. And the most important thing which you all are thinking in your priorities, that is what kind of job you will get after BCom. So after BCom, you can go for several type of job, and the jobs are like that make your earning bright. The first, that is accounting and auditing, tax advisory, commercial banking, international banking, financial service, telecommunication service and BPOs, manufacturing service, government service, insurance service and other sector like automobile, etc. And the most useful matter is that some courses are like CA or CS you can learn along with BCom degree. So that will be beneficial. That for you, even after BCom, you have a great opportunity to enter in law faculty, that is LLB and LLM. So I feel student must go for BCom for their development, their earning and for their betterment. Thank you.